Hello, good morning. We are doing the unboxing of our new mixer grinder. It's brand Vidiem 110 volt with 5 jars, and there is also a troubleshooting kit inside, so we can change the blades if we want. It's new arrived now at our home. You are seeing the unboxing. We'll see what things are present inside. It is as per the booklet what it is showing in the advertisement. It's 110 volt. You can see this. It's a brand Vidiem, and the product name and everything is there. It's 750 watt, and you can see manufacturing year is March 2024. See the booklet. The unboxing is ongoing now. This is jar, I think. Yeah, this is one spares and toolkit which I told initially when I started the video. Now we are cutting another box. We just removed the jar and the toolkit, spare toolkit, which is available with this mixer grinder. I never seen any of the mixer grinder companies giving toolkit. This is the first company I saw that they are giving toolkits also. If there is any fault, we can rectify that by using this toolkit, like changing of the blades in the jar, everything. This for juicer. Yes, all the 5 jars are present inside. We already removed 2, and this the fourth one, it's in the hand. The fifth one is inside. Oh, sorry. There are 2 remaining still. There are 5 jars. And the good thing in this kit is we got the spare tool kit. Guys, please share and subscribe the channel, and please comment how you like the video, and we'll use this and confirm our review on this video. Bye, take care.